Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this overview of Accountants Minute edition 386, Transforming SMEs. Your advisory service revolution starts here. And it is a revolution, isn't it? Because the SME market is looking for an advanced range of services to help them through these very difficult times that we have in Australia and a lot of other countries around the world. In the world of accountancy, advisory services has become a bit of a buzzword. But in Australia, it's meant that many SMEs are not receiving the full service. And that's what we're talking about in this edition of Accountants Minute. It's important that accountants, particularly small and medium-sized firms all over Australia, embrace the concept of delivering a broader range of services to assist your clients through these difficult times. Traditionally, Australian accounting firms supplied taxation advice, taxation returns, and then more recently, of course, we've had BAS lodgements and other work. But none of that really helps your client to grow and survive in business, because all businesses require continual accounting input. That's why larger firms employ full-time accountants. That's why they have chief financial officers, because there's a lot more to look at than just the tax return. And there's a lot more to look at than just monthly or quarterly financial accounts also, because the system requires key performance indicators, business metrics, business plans, budgets, cash flow forecasts. The accountant to have an intimate knowledge of the business, to look out for internal control processes, quality control. So the knowledge needs to be 1 inch wide but a mile deep. You don't get that just through the preparation of tax returns. And with today's technology and communications and software, of course, you're able to deliver these services to help your clients. And that's the message of this edition of Accountants Minute. We want to encourage you to get a deep understanding of your clients' affairs and safeguard their assets and help them to run better businesses. And the starter product package, which we're featuring in this edition of Accountants Minute, is the first step for accountants who are wanting to embrace advisory services. We start off with the training package, where we're going to assist your team to have an understanding of what it's like to be the accountants or chief financial officers of a business, because you'd be supplying that service to your clients. It's exciting stuff. And incidentally, to the partners of the firm, this will assist you with talent attraction and talent retention that accountants all over Australia are telling me is your biggest single problem. Well, this will help you with talent attraction and talent retention. Why? Because your team will be undertaking interesting and challenging work. Let's face it, tax return preparation can become a bit boring. Now, I'm not suggesting you get rid of tax returns. Far from it. But I am suggesting that you need to blend into your firm's offering proper advisory services. Not just a knee-jerk reaction to it, but proper advisory services. What we call the 52-week business enhancement system, which starts with that due diligence review that I mentioned a bit earlier, getting you to know 1 inch wide and a mile deep. Because if you are really involved as a chief financial officer for a client, you will know a lot more about the business than what you did from the preparation of an income tax return. I was the chief financial officer and company secretary of a listed public company, and I've seen it from both sides of the fence, because I also was the senior partner in an accounting firm. And for 25 years we've been developing the ESS BIZTOOLS material based on the original work done by the Financial Management Research Centre at the University of New England. So I believe we can help you with practical resources, practical tools that you can immediately implement. We have a special promotion on at present, which I hope you have a look at. We have a 50% discount on the starter package. So a 12-month subscription will only cost you $990, including GST. And we also have introduced for the first time the concept of a 3-month package that you could utilize to test the water, test out what ESS BIZTOOLS responses are like. Test, obviously, if your clients are going to appreciate the extra services. So your 3-month subscription for the starter package will only cost you $260, including plus GST. And you will have access to all of the benefits that a full 12-month subscriber to the starter package receives. So you would be invited to attend the training packages that are scheduled in that 3-month period, and there'll probably be at least 2 of them. And you have access to the Business Plus newsletter, which helps you communicate with your clients, and the other benefits that are contained within ESS BIZTOOLS. If you haven't started on delivering real advisory services, now is a good opportunity, because I think this is the cheapest price offer you're going to get. $990, including GST, for the full 12-month subscription to the starter package. And you should be able to make a lot more than $990, including GST, out of the information that we will supply to you, which will help you with a broad range of clients: tradies, professional service firms, retail and wholesale firms. We'll give you material to discuss the research and development package with your clients, debtors management to fix up the horrendous debtors situation that's occurring in Australia. And just read the recent report written by the CEO of MYOB, which highlights the problems that a lot of SMEs have got with fiscal management. Selling a business and a couple of other packages are all part of the product that you'll have available to you. And if you would just like to try it out to see if you are happy to work with me and my team at ESS BIZTOOLS, you can do it for 3 months, and that's only going to cost you $260 plus GST. So what's that, $286? And I really believe that at the end of that period you will extend your subscription for the 9 months, and we will still offer that 9-month subscription to you as a pro rata of the 50% discount fee that we're offering at present. So pro rata of the $990. I can't be more upfront with a great offer to you than that. So thanks for listening. I hope you're having a great day. I look forward to you joining ESS BIZTOOLS as a subscribing firm so that I can communicate to you a bit more often with hints and ideas and suggestions as how you can really introduce advisory services which will help your clients survive the current difficulties, and hopefully quite a number of them will really thrive. Have a great day. Goodbye.